Computer keyboard. Keyboard is one of the most important parts of a computer. It is used to enter data into the computer. Learning objectives. Computer keyboard. Alphabet keys. Number keys. Cursor. Special keys. Computer keyboard. A computer keyboard does all the typing work on a computer. You can use it to type words, sentences, numbers and symbols, and show them on the monitor. A standard keyboard has 104 keys. Number keys. Backspace key. Delete key. Numeric pad. Alphabet keys. Spacebar key. Enter key. Arrow keys. Enter key. There are different types of keys present on a computer keyboard. Let us study about some of them in brief. Alphabet keys. Alphabet keys, also known as letter keys, include the letters A to Z. They are present on the left side of the keyboard. They are 26 in number. You can use the alphabet keys to type characters, words and sentences. Bonus content. Subject enrichment. The most common computer keyboard layout is the QWERTY layout, named after the first 6 letters in the top row of the keyboard, Q, W, E, R, T and Y. Number keys. Number keys are marked from 0 to 9. They are used to type numbers. Bonus content. Subject enrichment. Some larger keyboards have a number pad on the far right, which is handy if you need to enter a lot of numbers. Cursor. When you are typing text in a computer, a blinking vertical line appears on the screen. It is called the cursor. It shows where the next character will be inserted when you type on the keyboard. Cursor. Do it yourself. Experiential learning. Go to your computer lab and with the help of your teacher, open Notepad or WordPad in a computer. Observe the position of the cursor. Now, press any alphabet or number key, and see how the cursor moves to a new position. Special keys. There are some special keys on the keyboard, which are also used quite often. Arrow keys. Arrow keys, also known as direction keys or cursor control keys, are used to control the movement of the cursor on the monitor. You can move the cursor up, down, left and right by pressing these keys. There are 4 arrow keys on the keyboard. Spacebar key. The longest key on a computer keyboard is the spacebar. It used to add space between consecutive words, numbers and symbols. Enter key. The enter key is used to move the cursor to the next line while you are typing on a computer. The enter key comes in different shapes. There are 2 enter keys on a standard keyboard. Caps lock key. The caps lock key is used to type all letters in uppercase or capital letters. When you press the caps lock once, the light on it is turned on. Now, the letters you type will appear in uppercase. When you press it again, the light is turned off. Now, the letters will appear in lowercase. Backspace and delete keys. Backspace and delete keys are used to remove the characters you type using a keyboard. The backspace key is used to remove text from the left side of the cursor. The delete key is used to remove text from the right side of the cursor. For the teacher. Show students a keyboard. Point to the different keys on it and explain their uses. Explain to students what a cursor is. Show it to them on the monitor. Open Notepad or WordPad, and ask students to type their names and roll numbers. Teach kids to use the correct typing technique with fingers placed on the home row. This helps in improving typing speed and accuracy while minimizing strain. Let us revise. A computer keyboard does all the typing work on a computer. A standard keyboard has 104 keys. A computer keyboard has small buttons known as keys which are usually 104 in number. Alphabet keys include the letters A to Z. Number keys are marked from 0 to 9. They are used to type numbers. There are some special keys on the keyboard. These are arrow keys, space bar key, enter key, caps lock key, backspace key and delete key.